A Harmony 3 Family Access account allows you to access all of your children's Harmony information from one central account.
You can find a link to Harmony Family Access under the Parent Quick Links section of all of our school websites.
Once you have an account, this is the page that you will use to sign in. But for starting an account, we will start here with Create an Account here. Fill in all of the text boxes on this page as they pertain to you, the parent, not your student information. When you create your new username, you can make up a username, or you can enter your email address again if that will be easier to remember. Then create and confirm a password of your choice. When you've done that, click Register. You will be adding students in the next step.
This is where you connect your account with your student's account. To do this, you need the student registration code. If you don't have the code, please contact the school office and they can get it for you.
The code is case sensitive, so enter it exactly as it is given to you. Next, enter your child's birth date using all 4 digits of the birth year. And then click Register. When your child is registered, you will see his or her name appear here in a green box. To access their information, you click on their name. If you have another child that you would like to register, you go to the Manage Account button. You would add another registration code and date of birth to your existing Family Access account. You will not have to create a separate account for each child as was required in the past. Once all your children are entered, you will be able to toggle from one account to another from this one Family Access account.